Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's going to be a quick one. We are going to do some maintenance on the Supra. So let me show you what we've got. Today we've got a new set of Platinum Spark Plugs. So we went with NGK G-Power. These are the TR55GP or part number 3403. And then the other thing that we're going to do is change out my throttle position sensor, so TH149. So my boat's been acting a little funny so I get it out on the water, and then maybe about after like 45 minutes or so, I'd start getting some bogging and some popping and some backfire. And I've done some research, and everybody's saying change out the throttle position sensor. So I'm going to do that and change out the plugs. So follow along. If you're having the same issue with my boat, see if this is going to fix it. All right, guys, so I've got the engine hatch open, and what I've got here is a 2005 Supra 24 SSV, and it has an Inmar Assault 350 engine in it. This is basically a 1990s Chevy V8 is what this is, and it uses all the Chevy V8 electronics. So we're going to go ahead and take this intake cover off, and then I'll show you where the TPS sensor is, and we'll get that removed. Get the screws out. And the TPS sensor is literally right here. So I'll bring you down and I'll show you. It's literally this right here. And it has a connector, and it's a 3-pin connector. If I can get this off without breaking it, will be good. There we go. That's out. So, got the 3-pin connector disconnected. I want to confirm that it's the same one that I bought. So here is the one that I bought. And again, this was for a 1999 Chevy. I think it was like a K10. I'll put the model number and everything that I got. But yeah, you can see here, that's the same 3-pin that'll go in there. Again, this is for a car, and it's going to work for this boat. Let's go ahead and get this installed. Yeah, so it's just 2 Torx screws, and then this thing comes out. And there's the old one. And there goes the new one. I got it. So screws go back in once you've replaced it. Till it bottoms out. You don't have to He-Man this thing, just tight. You'll feel what tight is. That's it. This connector goes back on. That's it. TPS sensor replaced. Let's move on now to the spark plugs. Okay, so to get to the spark plugs on this Inmar 350, we have to take the side panels and fold them down. So there's a lock on the inside of the panel here where the engine compartment is. You just turn those knobs, and then you'll be able to fold this entire side panel down, which will then give you access to the spark plugs. So that's next. I'm going to take down the last of my netting, and then I'll be able to open this side up, and then we'll start on the replacement of the plugs. Okay guys, so I've got you down here, and we'll take a look at these plugs and see what they look like. I've never pulled these off of this engine, so they could be completely perfect, but I don't know. I guess we'll find out here. And also, I've already pre-gapped all of my plugs to 60 thousandths. That's the appropriate. There we go. Oh wow, these are tight. There. Yeah, so like I said, I've already pre-gapped them to 60 thousandths. I've already verified all 8 of them. And that's what that one looks like. That's not bad. That's burning pretty well, actually. Okay, well, I'll replace it anyway. We're here. Time to put new ones in. What were these? These are AC Delco MR43 LTS. That's what they were. Good, 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 good. This side is done. Let's clean up, close everything up on this hatch, and then go to the other side. Okay, we are on the other side, so we'll get started here too. These spark plug wires, obviously, they still look new too. Satisfying click. Okay, job done. Plugs are in. Now throw the key in and just see if this thing starts up. Okay, here we are, crawling in. Just want to see if this thing starts up. Wrong key. Perfect. Awesome. Check this out. I also have one more thing I want to do. I bought these off of Amazon. So my cup holder, every time I have a drink, it just flops around. But I got this little insert that goes in here and will now hold the drink. Nothing will flop around. I'm going to drill a little hole in it though so that it will drain. But love that. Awesome. Anyway, that's the video, guys. I'll see you on the next one.